How to replace your filters and reset the filter counters in a Vesta Ionizer. A Vesta Ionizer has two filters. When looking at the front of the machine, filter 1 is here on the right-hand side in the back, and filter 2 is on the left-hand side. It also has two filter counters on the front panel, a counter for filter 1 and a separate counter for filter 2. When the filters are new, the counters will have all 5 bars lit up. As the filters are used, the bars will go out one by one. When only one bar remaining is lit, it's time to order a new filter if you have not done so already, as it will soon be time to change the filters. The filter counters on the Vesta count at the same rate, which is 1,000 gallons. Keep in mind that if you're using a sediment filter for filter 1, a sediment filter is only rated for 500 gallons. So you will need to change the filter when filter counter 1 is halfway, and then again when it is all the way depleted. For superior filtration, we recommend using either a BioStone Basic filter or a BioStone Plus filter for position 1. Both of these filters are rated for 1,000 gallons and will make filter changing easier, since you can change both filters at the same time when both counters run down all the way. To replace the filters, you will need to turn the machine around so that you can see the back. Remove the filter door by pressing the tabs outward and remove the door. Keep in mind when the machine is turned around and you're looking at the back, filter 1 is now on the left-hand side and filter 2 is on the right-hand side. To remove the filter, make sure the bezel is turned all the way clockwise, all the way to the right. Press down, angle the top out, and remove the filter. To install the new filter, it's easiest to bend down so that you're almost eye level with the bottom filter cushion, and you can watch and make sure you match the bottom of the filter with the cushion properly. Push down, angle the top in, and make sure it matches with the protrusion on the top filter bezel. Then rotate the filter back and forth several times to seat the O-ring at the bottom and top. To replace filter 2, it's the same procedure. Press the tabs, remove the door. Make sure the bezel is turned all the way clockwise to the right. Push down, angle out the top, and remove the filter. Again, eye level with the base, match the bottom, press down, angle the top in, make sure it connects at the top, and then rotate the filter back and forth several times to seat the O-rings. Never turn the bezels counterclockwise. Always leave the bezels turned all the way clockwise to the right in this upward position at all times. Now you're ready to flush the filters. You'll need to run water through the filters for 2 to 3 minutes. During this procedure, if you notice leaking from the bottom of the machine, stop, turn the water off, remove the filters, use a towel to dry up any water underneath, and in the filter compartments. Tilt the machine to drain any water from the inside out. And then reinstall the filters, always making sure to rotate them several times to seat the O-rings. You may have to repeat this procedure once or twice to install the filters without any leaking. After flushing both filters, you will need to reinstall the filter doors. Match the tabs at the outside edge and then press the door closed, making sure that the two tabs pop into place. And match the outside and then fit the door on the machine. To reset the filter counters, you will need to turn the machine back to the front. Resetting the filter counters is a quick procedure, so pay close attention. I'll explain it first and then demonstrate it. You'll be using the filter reset button. Keep in mind every time you touch the filter reset button, both filter counters will light up, but only one will be blinking. The blinking filter counter is the one that you will be resetting. Each time you press the filter reset button, the blinking filter will alternate. We're going to reset filter 1 first and then filter 2. So I will demonstrate this now. Filter 1 is blinking, so I hold the button down for up to 10 seconds.
Filter has been replaced.
Until the machine notifies you you've replaced the filter. Now filter 2 is blinking. I will hold the button again.
Filter has been replaced.
And both filter counters have been reset. This completes the procedure for replacing your filters and resetting your filter counters on a Vesta.